y with respect to x. So you multiply the index to the front, you decrease the index by 1, and you multiply by the derivative of inside the bracket, which is just 1. So you get minus 1 by x minus 3, then to the minus 2. So then the minus 1, so you have a negative of this, right? So x minus 3 all squared. Even if you left it here, I could work with that, but you need to know how to be able to translate it across here, which of course is using a laws of indices, yeah? Okay. Now for the other one here, so you have a 5 in front of 1 minus 2x to the minus 1. So now when we find the derivative of y with respect to x, right? So you multiply minus 1 to the front, right? Then what? We decrease the index by 1, and we multiply by the derivative inside the bracket, which is minus 2. Right? Now check it. A minus by a minus is a plus, right? So minus, so check it. You could do minus 1 by 5 is minus 5. Minus 5 by minus 2 is positive 10. Which you could then put over 1 minus 2x then squared. Alright, so I'll put a pause there. Joel, sorry, I know seen your question. I was away from keyboard. I don't know if you're still there. I'm sorry, question marks. I know seen your question. I stepped away. So Joel, Sharp and Casio are very good brands. It's just you have to know how to use each one. All right. What time? 10 to 12, 1 to 3, and half 3 to half 5. Right. This is just a backup stream from my YouTube stuff from a private class. With my wife on too. Simone, is that my wife? No. Somebody with my wife name. Okay, cool. So I'll give a minute or two again to finish off the next couple of them. Let's check and see what else started after that. Oh, wow. Ooh, okay. We're running late. Yeah, sure. Like that?